Southeast Asia, the markets traded fairly mixed. We had Singapore and the Philippines trading down, Malaysia closing flat, and Jakarta eking out some really small gains. Thailand still trading up 0.5%. Over in North Asia, the picture was more consistent. We had a sea of red. South Korea especially weak, closing down 1.5%. But the other three major markets also all closing in the red today. JP Morgan downgrading Singapore's Mobile One and StarHub today to a neutral, down from an overweight. Now, JP Morgan believes that the returns for shareholders from these two companies will likely be lower than those of other regional telco plays. JP Morgan, though, still likes Singtel, ranks it an overweight given its aggressive expansion strategy, and it also likes Philippine PLDT in the Philippines and also Telecom Indonesia. They say these are their two top picks in Southeast Asia, offering the best combination of risk and returns. Another really actively traded stock is a company called United Fiber Systems, a construction materials maker. Now, this stock slid 20% today, and check it out, we had over 100 million shares traded. Why the sharp declines? Why all the interest? Well, this company has been under a lot of talk that the company could be under investigations from the Commercial Affairs Department, also that a major financier could be pulling out, and then more recently we had local press reports that the second largest shareholder, a gentleman by the name of Cheryl Liew, is stuck in a court case. So a lot of negative news flow on the company, but very interesting. It's such a heavily traded stock today. For the region today, the big earnings story was still Sony. We had that big electronics giant reporting its operating profit up 15%. The core consumer electronics division still losing money. And we also had UMC reporting its first quarter profit that was down 78% year on year. But those numbers are actually not too bad. And so UMC shares actually traded up. We just spoke to JP Morgan's Bhavin Shah. He believes the stock is not going to perform anytime in the near term, given a pretty gradual recovery for the semiconductor sector. That's a quick look at top stocks in Southeast Asia and North Asia. Back to you, Christine.
Thank you very much for that, Cheryl Liew. The big movers today.